but I'm getting kind of hungry. Oh yeah, I'm starving too. What should we do? Well, I'm feeling like eating some spaghetti and meatballs. Spaghetti and meatballs? That sounds amazing. Hey, how about we make some? Yeah, let's make some. We even have our own spaghetti maker. Let's do it. Yay! So here's our spaghetti maker. Cool. How do we use it? Well, we gotta put our spaghetti in here, and out comes the spaghetti. Awesome. Let's go get some Play-Doh. Here's the Play-Doh. Let's put it inside the spaghetti maker. Tons of Play-Doh for tons of spaghetti. So we gotta put it right in here. Squish it down in there. Once we're done squishing it down, we gotta push this lever in so then the spaghetti can come out. Awesome, Marshall. Now let's go and squish the spaghetti out. Hop on, I'm gonna need some help. Come on, Marshall, I'll be up here. Push harder, Chase, push harder. Yeah, we're doing it. We're not strong enough. Hold on, just a little more force. Oh, look at it, it's starting to come out. Make sure the plate is right here so it can catch it while it lands. Push harder, Marshall, push harder. We almost got it. Yeah, we got it, we got it. Woo! We're done. Just look at that spaghetti. Now we gotta cut it off and put it on the plate. Now this is a different kind of spaghetti. It's called linguine. You see why? Because it's very thin and fat and flat. So we can kind of pull it apart and separate it. But of course, this is raw spaghetti. We gotta cook it. Look at that. It looks delicious. Okay, we are done with the spaghetti. Now we have to make the meatballs. Here's the color of the meatballs. Let's open that up. Yes, perfect. Now we can find some meatball making right here. Here, Chase, why don't you put the meatballs in? Put the meatballs in this cup. Just a few more meatballs. Look at that, so many delicious meatballs. Okay, we're done with the meatballs, and the spaghetti needs the red sauce. Here's the red sauce. Now before we pour red sauce onto the noodles, because our noodles are uncooked, we must cook them. So here's our bowl, and let's put them in the pot, and let's microwave it. Help me, Marshall, let's open the door and microwave the noodles. We can put it on setting for pizza, and start. Woo, it's done! Yay, our noodles are cooked! We gotta put our noodles on a plate. Yummy, our delicious noodles! I can't wait to eat! No, Chase, you have to put on some meatballs and the sauce. Oh yeah, right, I forgot. So let's put our spaghetti sauce first on top. There's our spaghetti sauce, and of course, our meatballs. Looks so delicious! I can't wait to eat it! Hooray! Let's start eating! Okay! Yum, 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 yum. Oh no, the food is almost gone! I know it's so delicious, but I'm almost full. Do you want the last meatball, Chase? You can have it. Oh, thank you! I am so full! Me too! That was so delicious. Thank you for making it with me. No problem. See you. Bye!